Now in this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can create our first React application. In order to create a React application, we'll be making use of a boilerplate, and you can get that boilerplate over here at reactboilerplate.com, and you can even download this or you can use git clone. So let's go ahead and first of all try the git clone approach and see how it looks. So I've opened up my Visual Studio Code, and inside this directory I'd like to clone it, and there you go. We have cloned it successfully. Now all we need to do is run this command npm run setup. So we'll do that by going inside this directory. So we'll see cd react boilerplate, and now we are inside that directory. Here we'll run the command npm run setup. So once you'll run that command npm run install, you'll see all these steps being taken care of, and once the whole process is complete, we'll proceed with the third step, that is running the application that we have just now cloned by using the command npm start. Now once we have done that, you will see that it is asking you whether you want to start with a new repo or not. You can just go ahead and say yes over here, and once you do that, it will proceed further. And once that is done, let's go ahead and now run the application. For that, we'll be using the command npm start. Press enter now, and here you can see it is giving us the access URLs, saying the application is running at localhost :3000, and the LAN details are also provided. So let's try opening this by clicking Ctrl+click, and there you go. This is the React application that we just now created using a React boilerplate, and we'll continue to update this by including the database connectivity using Cosmos DB and many other features.